next site we are having here is www.guru.com. Guru.com actually is offering jobs for freelancing. We can see that we have program development jobs. We have various other jobs like writing and translation, art design, administrative and secretarial, sales and marketing, engineering and architecture, administrative and secretarial, business and finance, education, training. So many jobs which are here. You can see they are saying that they have paid $1 million paid invoices, 250 million paid freelancers. You can find people who are working on all these particular jobs. And also we have actually a section whereby they are telling us of the jobs that they have posted. If you also want to hire, this is also a very good site of hiring freelancers. Finding a job, you find a job on this particular platform, that is good. You can see the match they are actually paying. Updates to WordPress website needed. You'll be paid under fixed price, and you must pay under charge under $250. Developing an automated trading solution. We have interface developer for web-based app. As you can see, this is a place where there are so many opportunities for you, so many which are open, and all you just need to do is register in this platform, sign up, and then log in and be able to actually get the jobs that you need. If you're also providing jobs, you can post a job here, because there are those work that you're doing online which require also an expertise or somebody to assist you complete that particular task faster and be able to beat the deadline, so that you don't inconvenience the client and also you don't lose that particular job for having delayed on it. The other site we are looking at is Remote Rebellion. Want to know how you will get a remote job easier and faster with us? Take a look at the explainer video below to see how. So they have actually created a video which explains to you how actually you will be able to benefit from working with them, and how you get to Remote Job Academy without a lot of BS. Then you go to see remote jobs which are there, the available jobs which are on remoterebellion.com. The latest top remote jobs: remote from anywhere, top pick, that is database reliability engineer, and you see HRS and benefit manager, varsity tutors, accountant executive. We have customer support, product design, we have business intelligence engineer, we have cloud infrastructure engineer, institutional sales representative. So many jobs which are actually being offered by this Remote Rebellion.com. And you can see the Remote Rebellion.com goes ahead and even gives you a benefit in the resources that they are having. How to get a remote job, free guide. So this is a free guide on how you're supposed to do. You enter your name, your last name, and your email. You subscribe, and you'll be given updates on various job opportunities that are available in the Remote Rebellion.com. They even have success stories from people who have worked in this particular platform, or they have obtained job from this particular platform. So it's a very good platform which will help you gain that extra coin as you work online. Glad you're still with us. We are looking at peopleperhour.com. Peopleperhour.com. Let's first go to the section of how peopleperhour.com works. People per hour works. Get the most from perfect hour and leave your work clean. People per hour connects clients with expert freelancers who are available to hire by the hour or project. You can see, apply to become a certified freelancer. Complete an online application to join the exclusive People per Hour freelancer community. Every application is reviewed and approved by our moderation team, ensuring only the best freelancers are matched to a client project. Once approved, you gain access to a stream of projects from our international client community. Now you are ready to provide your services to thousands of business. Go again, that's what they say. If you look at this, they have technology and programming. You can see they have programming and coding, data science and analysis, databases, social media application, software testing, mobile application development, and many more. We go to writing and translation. We have translation, we have creative writing, ghost writing, content writing, technical writing. The list is wide. Design, graphic design, logo design, illustration and drawing, web design, fashion and clothing, 3D design, computer aided design, CAD, digital marketing. We have AdSense, CEO, content marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing. Wow, this is a platform that is endless with opportunities. So if you actually want to work online, you can go and register with peopleperhour.com. It's actually a very good platform, which I would also recommend you to sign up with.